Introduction to Microbiology, the hidden world around us. Welcome to the fascinating realm of microbiology, where an entire universe of life exists beyond the naked eye. Microorganisms have been Earth's dominant life forms for billions of years, shaping our planet's atmosphere, soil, and oceans. These microscopic entities are not just passive inhabitants, they actively influence every aspect of life on Earth, from the carbon we breathe to the food we digest. This journey will unveil the incredible diversity and importance of microorganisms that surround us every moment of every day. We'll explore how these tiny powerhouses drive global ecosystems, support human health, and continue to revolutionize medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology. What are microorganisms? Microorganisms are living entities too small to be seen with the naked eye, typically requiring magnification of at least 100x to observe. These remarkable creatures exist in virtually every environment on Earth, from the deepest ocean trenches to the highest mountain peaks, and even in extreme conditions that would be lethal to larger organisms. 10 to the power of 30 total microbes on Earth, more than all the stars in the observable universe. 1 micrometer average bacterial size. About 100 times smaller than human cells. 3.8 b. Years ago, first microbial life appeared on Earth. To put their size in perspective, if a typical bacterium were enlarged to the size of a marble, a human cell would be as large as a basketball court. Despite their microscopic size, microorganisms collectively outweigh all plants and animals combined, demonstrating their incredible abundance and ecological significance. The major groups of microorganisms. The microbial world encompasses 5 major groups, each with distinct characteristics and evolutionary histories. Understanding these groups helps us appreciate the incredible diversity of microscopic life and their various roles in natural and human-influenced environments. Bacteria, single-celled prokaryotes with cell walls containing peptidoglycan, essential for nitrogen fixation, decomposition, and human digestion. Number 2. Archaea, prokaryotes resembling bacteria but with unique biochemistry. Many thrive in extreme environments like hot springs and salt lakes. Number 3. Fungi, eukaryotic decomposers including yeasts, molds, and microscopic forms, crucial for nutrient cycling and fermentation processes. Number 4. Protists, diverse eukaryotic microorganisms including algae, protozoa, and slime molds, form the base of many aquatic food chains. Number 5. Viruses, obligate intracellular parasites consisting of genetic material wrapped in protein, require host cells for replication. Each group has evolved unique strategies for survival, reproduction, and interaction with their environment, contributing to the remarkable adaptability and resilience of microbial life across diverse ecological niches. Bacterial structure and cellular components. Bacterial cells are marvels of biological engineering, packing essential life functions into incredibly small spaces. Unlike human cells, bacteria are prokaryotes, meaning they lack a membrane-bound nucleus and other complex organelles. Instead, their genetic material floats freely in the cytoplasm, allowing for rapid reproduction and adaptation. The bacterial cell wall, composed primarily of peptidoglycan, provides structural support and protection while allowing the cell to maintain its shape under various osmotic pressures. This rigid framework is what makes bacteria resilient in diverse environments and is also the target of many antibiotics like penicillin. Many bacteria possess flagella, whip-like structures that rotate like molecular motors, propelling the cell through liquid environments at speeds up to 60 cell lengths per second. This would be equivalent to a human swimming at 200 miles per hour. Cell wall and membrane. Peptidoglycan layer provides structure, phospholipid membrane controls transport. Nucleoid region contains circular chromosome with genetic information, no nuclear membrane. Microbial metabolism, energy and nutrition strategies. Microorganisms have evolved an astounding variety of metabolic pathways, far exceeding the biochemical capabilities of plants and animals. This metabolic diversity allows them to colonize virtually every habitat on Earth and perform essential ecological functions that larger organisms simply cannot accomplish. Phototrophs. It harness light energy like cyanobacteria and green sulfur bacteria. Heterotrophs. It consume organic matter produced by other organisms for carbon and energy. Chemotrophs. It extract energy from chemical bonds in organic or inorganic compounds. Autotrophs. It build organic molecules from CO, serving as primary producers. Some bacteria can switch between different metabolic modes depending on environmental conditions, a flexibility that has allowed them to survive and thrive for billions of years. For example, E. coli can use over 100 different carbon sources and can switch between aerobic and anaerobic respiration based on oxygen availability. Extremophile archaea push metabolic boundaries even further, with some species thriving in boiling water, highly acidic conditions, or environments with extreme salinity. These metabolic innovations continue to inspire biotechnology applications and our search for life beyond Earth. Microbial growth and reproduction patterns. Microbial reproduction is characterized by its remarkable speed and efficiency. Most bacteria reproduce through binary fission, a process where one cell divides into two identical daughter cells. Under optimal conditions, some bacteria like E. coli can double their population every 20 minutes, meaning a single cell could theoretically produce over 1 million descendants in just 7 hours. This exponential growth follows distinct phases: lag, adaptation, log, exponential growth, stationary, resource limitation, and death, population decline. Understanding these patterns is crucial for applications ranging from fermentation to infection control. The human microbiome, our microbial partners. Each human body hosts an estimated 37 trillion microbial cells, roughly equal to the number of human cells in our bodies. This collection of microorganisms, known as the microbiome, forms a complex ecosystem that profoundly influences our health, behavior, and even our immune system development. Digestive health. Gut bacteria help break down complex carbohydrates, produce essential vitamins like B12 and K, and maintain the intestinal barrier against pathogens. Disruption of this balance can lead to digestive disorders and inflammatory conditions. Immune function. Beneficial microbes train our immune system to distinguish between harmful and harmless substances. Early exposure to diverse microorganisms is crucial for preventing allergies and autoimmune diseases. Mental health. The gut-brain axis allows microbes to influence mood and behavior through neurotransmitter production. Certain bacteria produce serotonin and GABA, potentially affecting anxiety and depression. Recent research reveals that each person's microbiome is as unique as their fingerprint, influenced by factors including genetics, diet, environment, and antibiotic use. Maintaining microbiome diversity through proper nutrition and limiting unnecessary antibiotic use is becoming recognized as essential for long-term health and disease prevention. Beneficial microbes. Food, medicine, and biotechnology. Microorganisms are humanity's oldest biotechnological partners, transforming raw materials into valuable products for thousands of years. From ancient fermentation practices to cutting-edge genetic engineering, beneficial microbes continue to revolutionize industries and improve human life in countless ways. Food production. Fermentation by lactobacillus creates yogurt, cheese, and kimchi while preserving nutrients and enhancing flavors. Yeast transforms sugars into bread, beer, and wine through alcoholic fermentation. Pharmaceutical manufacturing. Genetically engineered bacteria produce insulin, growth hormones, and antibiotics. Streptomyces species alone have given us over 500 antibiotic compounds including streptomycin and tetracycline. Environmental cleanup. Bioremediation uses microbes to break down pollutants, clean oil spills, and remove heavy metals from contaminated soil and water. Some bacteria can even digest plastic waste. Pathogenic microbes. Disease mechanisms and immune responses. While most microorganisms are harmless or beneficial, pathogenic species pose serious threats to human health through various infection mechanisms. Understanding how these microbes cause disease and how our immune system responds is crucial for developing effective treatments and prevention strategies. Number 1. Invasion and adhesion. This means that pathogens must first attach to and enter host cells using specialized surface proteins and toxins that overcome natural barriers. Number 2. Colonization. This means that successful pathogens multiply within host tissues while evading initial immune responses through camouflage or immune suppression. Number 3. Damage and symptoms. This means that disease symptoms result from direct cell damage, toxin production, or inflammatory immune responses attempting to clear the infection. Number 4. Immune response. This means that adaptive immunity produces specific antibodies and activates T cells to eliminate pathogens and create immunological memory. Our immune system has evolved sophisticated mechanisms to detect and eliminate microbial threats. The innate immune system provides immediate, non-specific responses including inflammation and phagocyte activation. The adaptive immune system creates highly specific responses and immunological memory that can provide lifelong protection against previously encountered pathogens. However, pathogens continuously evolve countermeasures, including antibiotic resistance, immune evasion strategies, and rapid mutation rates that challenge our immune defenses and medical treatments. This ongoing evolutionary arms race drives the need for continued research and development of new therapeutic approaches. Key takeaways. Why microbiology matters in everyday life. Ecosystem foundation. Microorganisms form the base of all food webs, drive global nutrient cycles, and maintain atmospheric composition. Without them, complex life could not exist on Earth. Human health partners. Our microbiome influences digestion, immunity, and mental health. Understanding this relationship helps optimize wellness and treat diseases more effectively. Biotechnology powerhouses. Microbes produce essential medicines, foods, and industrial products while offering sustainable solutions for environmental challenges and renewable energy. Evolutionary masters. Microbial adaptability and diversity provide insights into life's origins and potential, informing everything from antibiotic development to astrobiology. Microbiology is not merely an academic subject, it's the key to understanding how life works at its most fundamental level. From the bacteria in your morning yogurt to the complex ecosystems in soil and oceans, microorganisms shape every aspect of our world. As we face global challenges including climate change, antibiotic resistance, and sustainable food production, microbiology offers both critical insights and practical solutions. The invisible world of microorganisms holds answers to some of humanity's greatest challenges and continues to reveal new wonders that expand our understanding of life itself.